Hello, beautiful people. Guess what? I went in for my monthly ortho appointment, and good news, my teeth are moving. And honestly, I haven't showed you anything because there's progress, but you really can't notice it unless you're like with a freaking magnifying glass. But yes, they are getting better, and I started a new rubber bands routine that I have to follow to seal the deal. So stupid. But look, you see, this time I'm gonna wear them a little different, and it looks like a square because you see this space, we need to like close it. And then he said I'm gonna get my retainers done. Yay.